What is the price of the memories that you're creating for your clients? What is your responsibility, especially in a field of no retakes like wedding photography? Here, an artist is just not an artist. He's a team player, a client coordinator, a businessman, and also an artist whose work is respected and admired by the world. You have to be consistent, hardworking, and above all, have a lot of luck. And you make your own luck with better education. I'm Harpreet Bachher, and I'm a wedding storyteller, and this is my masterclass.